Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. Today we are going to add an item to the list by using the append method. So using this method, we can add an item at the end of the list. So let's see how we can do it. I have already declared a list of vegetables here and I have printed the list. Now we are going to give the name of the list dot append method, and we here we have to give an input of a value of the value that we want to give as an element. So I'm giving carrot here. So veg list dot append, and now I'm going to print this list. So here we go. We have added an extra element to the list. That's it. Thank you. I hope you understand the append method.